Hello. My name is Junior Ferdinand, and I want to teach you why your books are not selling in Amazon. I have discovered that some people book are not selling in Amazon, not that they did not create a good book, but they fail to do some things they are supposed to do. They fail to do some things, the mistake they are making while creating the books, because Amazon KDP is very competitive. If you cannot create the right book at the right place, you will not make sales. You will likely not make sales. Now I want to teach you the 5 mistakes you should avoid while creating your book in Amazon. Number 1 reason is failure to do research. Some people, if they want to create book, they will just go ahead and create it without doing research on that particular book that they want to create. They don't do research, they don't search for a very profitable keyword, a very profitable niche to create the book around. That will make your book not show up in search, and if your book does not show up in search, Amazon customer will likely not buy that book, because it's what they will see that they will buy. So make enough research on the kind of book you should create before you even go ahead creating it, because inability to make enough research in a book will make your book not to rank in Amazon KDP, and at the end of the day you will not make sales in Amazon. So before you create any book, check the kind of book you want to create. Is it selling? Are people searching for it? Are people buying that book? Is that book making other people that is creating it buy? So number 2, keyword research. Now some people fail to do some keyword research. There are some keyword in Amazon that is profitable, and there is some that is not profitable. That is to say, it's not all keyword you can make your book around that will sell. If you go to Amazon search bar, you will see, if you just do as if you want to type something, for example, how to go to the gym. Now as you type how to, you will notice that there are some keyword that is pumping out. There is some keyword that is coming out. You might see how to drink water, how to cook, how to buy clothes, how to, like, you can see other how to. Those things are keywords. Now the inability of checking out the kind of book keyword that we sell is checking the BSR, that is the best seller rank, and the competition that book has. So using the right keyword will make you rank in Google and in Amazon KDP, and also help you make sales in Amazon. So keyword research is one of the reasons why some books are not selling, why some people book are not selling. Now number 3 is not creating attractive book cover. I noticed that if you go through the Amazon sales page, or go through the Amazon home page, you will notice that there are many books that does not have attractive book cover. The kind of book they will create a good book, but the book cover is not attracting Amazon customers. There is a saying that say don't judge the book by their cover, but let me tell you, Amazon customers judge the book by its cover, because that's the first impression they get whenever they want to buy new books. So that your book cover is the first attraction, is the first magnet towards even checking your book. Let's take for example a YouTube video. Some YouTube videos, you see them having a very good thumbnail, some are having bad thumbnail. Now if you combine those two thumbnail, the one that is having the good one and the one that is having the bad thumbnail, you will notice that the one that is having the good thumbnail is making more sales, is getting more views. It's getting more views. So that's the way Amazon KDP also works. Now Amazon customer will type a particular keyword like how to go to the gym, and we start scrolling up, scrolling. Then the most attractive book cover, the most magnetic book cover that he or she sees will determine whether you buy the book or even check out the book to even buy. So creating a very attractive book cover is a very vital thing to do, very important. These are some of the reasons why some people are not making sales in Amazon. Not that they are not creating a good book, but the book cover is stopping some Amazon customer from taking a buying decision. Number 4, not niching down. Now in some niches, they have too much competition. Some niches, for example, you search a particular keyword, you can see up to 10,000 results, 20,000 results. Now you creating your book around that particular niche will not make you rank in Amazon, at the same time will not make you money, will not make you sell. So the ability of you niching down and creating your book around a low competitive book will make you sell. That's, you look for a niche that you go into, that the niche that is not oversaturated, that you go into, and create your book around that niche and dominate that niche. You will see you will be making sales. Make sure your niche score is high, and make sure the number of searches is not up to 1,000 searches. Then create your book around that particular niche, around that particular keyword, and create a very attractive book cover. Give out your best in that niche. You see you start making sales in no time from Amazon KDP. Number 5, not using the right description and title. Now some people fail to use the right description for the book and the right title for the book. First of all, your book title must contain your keyword you are targeting. It must contain it so that it can rank in Amazon KDP. It must contain that book you are targeting, that keyword you are targeting, and your description. Make it well appealing and make it more convincing for Amazon customers to buy your book. Make it SEO friendly, especially your title and your subtitle. These are mistakes some people make during creating the book. They ignore the title and they ignore the subtitle, which is the main important thing. For example, you want to create your book around how to go to the gym. Let's assume you type how to go to the gym and you see the result is 700 searches. Then you can create ultimate guide on how to go to the gym. Now you have included your how to go to the gym there. Ultimate guide on how to go to the gym. If you notice that book is profitable, at the same time you notice that the BSR is okay, then you can create your book on that. Make sure you include your title, your keyword you are targeting in your title and your subtitle. I gave an example. How to go to the gym is your keyword. Now you create a book and you name it Ultimate Guide on How to Go to the Gym. You see, you have included your keyword. Why you are adding other things on it? Because if you if you use how to go to the gym as your direct keyword, your direct title, Amazon might tell you are using another person title. So you have to include something, but make sure you find a way to include your main keyword. So I hope you understand what I taught now. I hope you have got value in this. So now you can make money from Amazon up to $200 to $500 by simply publishing books in Amazon, which others are doing. So you can do that by simply publishing books in Amazon. So if you want to learn more, get back to the person that gave you this video and learn how Amazon KDP works. Thank you. My name is Junior Ferdinand. Thank you.